Yes, Commissioner. No problem. I'm out on patrol. Yeah, even in this weather. Cape and cowl soaked. Yeah, I looked up the name. William Squires, that's right. Possibly Billy Squires. Yeah, no, that's not his name. Try William Campbell. Yeah. Hey, no problem. We'll talk to you later. Hey, Vicky, popcorn? Now, it's that kind of attitude that makes me an MCU fan. Hey everybody, welcome to The Bottom Line. I'm Michael Noland, and season's greetings to every single one of our viewers. I hope you've all had a wonderful Christmas day and Santa's been good to you. As for me, I'm already dressed in my Christmas finery, and as many of you already know, I have already received my Christmas gift early this year. That Christmas gift, of course, is my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and you can understand I expected very little under the tree this morning. But as you can see, I've cleared out my little wall of shame area. I finally let the little mouse off the hook, and voila, suspended beetle wall art. But one of the very best Christmas gifts we've gotten here at The Bottom Line is the wonderful response from all you viewers. We're not even through 2 months yet, and the response has been amazing. This is video 23. Can you even imagine that? If you had told me on October 28th, which is the date that I published my first video, that in 2 months we would have accomplished so much, I would have pinched myself and stopped myself for such daydream believing. So a great big season's greetings and a thank you to every single one of you. We've hit our phase 3 goals, no doubt. We're now at 113 subscribers. If you're one of our viewers and you've seen a few of our videos and you've thought about subscribing, now would be a good time to hit that subscribe to the tribe button, hit that top bell notification, and you'll be notified of all future videos. Not only have we met our goals, but we're actually 13 subscribers ahead of those goals and ahead of the timing that I thought I would achieve those goals. So as of tonight, those 100 plus the baker's dozen of the 13 additional are our tribal elders. And it's time to announce phase 4, the major goal that we've set. For channels our size, of course, the next goal is to get to 500 subscribers. Let me tell you why. At 500 subscribers, a YouTube channel gains access to community controls in their YouTube studio. These controls can help a channel immensely. When we can activate those controls, that's when this channel will truly launch. So at this point, we're less than 400 away, and that's going to be our next goal. Now, all new subscribers now will be part of our community council. These will be the future leaders of this channel that will project it forward into phase 5. So our plan, of course, is to continue to supply you with quality videos and offering you value. And we're asking all of our viewers, not just our subscribers, please give us a thumbs up, of course, and consider hitting subscribe to the tribe, of course. But why not hit share? If you got some value out of the video, don't you know somebody who might get the same value? So that's how we're going to approach going into phase 4. We're encouraging all of our viewers to hit that share button and help us get the word out. Next, an update on my mouse situation. As many of you know, so far I haven't been a fan of mouse cases. I sent our video to Mouse, and they responded by offering me a new mouse case. They asked me to fill out the form, and I informed them that I had an iPhone 13 Pro Max now, and that I expected to be delivered a case for an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Well, I've gotten a recent update. It's out for delivery. Of course, it didn't come today, so in the next few days, I'm sure. And we'll see if they actually send me a replacement that I can use, or if they didn't even read my response and just automatically assume that I'm still using my iPhone 11. But we always want to be fair. If they send the case, I'll put it through its paces. I'll let you all know just how well this new mouse case holds up. We're going to put it through its paces, and we're going to let you know exactly what we think about it. Either way, so much for this. Oh, and a quick by and by. If you remember, one of our earliest product shootouts was between the Sunpack 96 LED camera light and the Viltrox L116T highlight that is now highlighting me from above. So basically, I have this camera light that I don't use. And here's your tip for the day. If you're just starting your YouTube studio and you have extra lighting, try to look for a purpose for those products. The eagle-eyed of you have probably already noticed what I've done with my Sunpack. I use it to highlight my Beatles 2020 pandemic mask. So the point of the tip is use everything at your disposal. Be creative. Find new ways to present yourself in each and every video. And remember, every video you put out is merely a template for you to review to make the next video even better. And of course, this is the perfect time to give you an idea of what we're going to do in the future. I've already announced that we're putting together a lighting tutorial that'll demonstrate how motivational lighting, though subtle, can improve your video immensely. Of course, we're going to continue delving into Procreate. We'll have future videos on iMovie and how to edit there. Of course, we're going to continue to delve into LumaFusion on how to edit in LumaFusion. And your response to our Friday Forays experiment has been astonishing. Our channel views have increased dramatically just since we introduced our series. Of course, we'll continue to occasionally dabble into Beatle lore, but the Friday Foray section is going to be a bit more than that. At this time, there is a movie based on one of my very favorite books, Dune, as well as a series based on my favorite book series of all time, Foundation. Now, I haven't decided which one I will open with, but I will be reviewing both the movie Dune and the series Foundation. And down the line, I'm also going to do a review on Jeff Emmerich's book, Here, There, and Everywhere. Not to mention, as I introduced in a very early video, and that is that I'm working on a past recording project that I started back in 2009, and I'm just looking to get together with my old partner in crime, Mr. Garth O'Brien, to help me finish those tracks. When that project finally comes to fruition, you'll be the first to know. So that about wraps it up for this video. I think we've covered enough for one evening. And a big season's greetings from all of us here at the bottom line to each and every one of you. I'm Michael Noland. Good night, sleep tight, and don't let the bat bugs bite.